Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The other day I ran out of time to load up the wood on the header that I drag out of the woods there. So I got a little time today, so we're going to be hauling it home using the 550 and the dump trailer, because I got the chip box on the 550. It's a little tough to load it in sometimes. So we're going to be loading it up and bringing it back to our woodlot. Stay tuned. All right, so now we're gonna pull off the gate on the dump trailer. Shannon here is gonna help us, and this way we don't have to open up the gate every time we come back to the woodlot to dump the wood off. And then we could just put whatever, if we don't have to cut the logs to length to make them fit into the trailer. Sounds good, right?
Sounds good.
All right, let's get to it. All right, so let's pull these pins out, and then we'll pull this gate off. You just pull it and twist it. I bought this Cam Superliner trailer a few years back. Geez, it's got to be 5 years ago now, and you get a lot of use out of it. I mean, we have hauled a lot of firewood in this trailer, crushed stone, dirt, sand. It's a great trailer. But let's get going and pull this gate off of here. So, Sharon, you got the pins over there? All right, the gate's very heavy, so I might have to lift this off. Just be careful there. Got the one there. Oh, we got to pull the chains. Get them chains there. You just pull the chain right out of the slot over there in the end. All right, get this chain over here, please. We'll get that one, and then I can lift this off and put it off to the side. All right, a little heavy in the snow too, a little slippery, but we'll get it. All right, we're basically ready to haul the logs in the trailer now, and we don't have to worry about opening and closing the gate, and it's just a lot easier. All right, so Shannon's gonna be taking up the Massey Ferguson up to the woodlot, and we're gonna start loading logs. I'll meet you up there. We're actually going over my neighbor's here. Hey, he's got a long driveway. We're gonna be pulling in here to his, it's kind of like his wood lot, and I'm actually using his wood lot to stage all the wood from the neighboring wood lot. So it's actually pretty nice. Shannon already brought the Massey up here, so we're gonna start loading logs and heading home. We're probably gonna have a few loads here, bring it back to our wood lot, but that's not a problem.
All right, we're gonna start loading some logs here. We're gonna load those logs right onto the trailer. We go through about 4 to 5 cords a year. We're gonna take it back on the trailer, take it back home, process the wood. We're gonna watch them load it up. be a little bit easier.
So this Massey Ferguson here is a 1540, 40 horsepower turbo diesel. It's a pretty good tractor. It does well for what we use it for. It would be nice to have a little bit more lifting capacity. This tractor here has got about a 1,900 pound lifting capacity, but that's at the pins. So you really can't lift, you know, 1,900 pounds. But I'm not sure what these ash logs weigh, but they're pretty light. But and paired up with this Frostbite grapple, guys, this tractor does really well for us. We might upgrade the tractor in the future, but for now, it works all right.
Ooh, that one almost rolled off the side there.
All right, so she's gonna run the dump hoist, and I'm gonna pull the truck up as we dump this load out. We're gonna have to move it with the excavator and put it somewhere else because we're a little tight with the wood lot right now. We got a lot of wood here that we got to get processing, either on the Timberwolf splitter, or we have our friend's processor over here to help us get through all this wood. So let's get dumping this load. All right, Shan, hit her up. It's so cold today that this dump trailer's taking forever to go down. The fluid, I mean, it's only about 15 degrees out, 18 degrees today. It's pretty cold out. We're gonna head up to the wood lot and we're gonna get a couple more loads of wood and bring the rest back to our wood lot. All right, so we're gonna head back up and get the rest out. So make sure you hit a like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we got so you can get the future videos coming out. We'll see you later, guys. Thanks for watching.